Here is how to remove and replace a faulty PSU of a PowerProtect DP4400. The system needs one power supply unit for normal operation. Since the DP4400 is a power redundant system, remove and replace only one PSU at a time in a system that is powered on. Common alerts are symptom codes 483 and 476. These events are triggered in case of a power supply failure. However, these can also occur on a normal power outage or maintenance. Therefore, to ensure these are valid and not false positives, log into the Appliance ACM UI and check the Health tab. Or use an SSH client to connect to the ACM and use the command show through power. At the front of the cabinet, locate the two slam latches on the left and right sides of the system. Pull the slam latches up to release the system from the cabinet. If the slam latches do not disengage, loosen the screw under each latch. At the back of the system, the faulty PSU should show a blinking amber LED. For more information on PSU LED codes, check the Service Procedures Guide. Disconnect the power cable from the power source and from the PSU you intend to remove. Then remove the cable from the strap on the PSU handle. Press and hold the release latch and slide the PSU out of the system by using the PSU handle. Ensure that the new PSU is of the same type and got the same maximum output power. Slide the PSU into the system until it is fully seated and the release latch snaps into place. Connect the power cable to the PSU and plug the cable into the power outlet. Make sure to secure the cable using the strap on the PSU handle. Now slide the system back into the cabinet and secure the screws under the slam latches at the front of the system. When installing, hot swapping or hot adding a new PSU, wait for 15 seconds for the system to recognize the PSU and determine its status. The PSU redundancy may not occur until the discovery is complete. You can verify the successful replacement from the ACM using the show FRU power command. Thank you for watching.